Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to give my 3 BHK flat tour. So currently I am living in Kochi and working as a software developer in IBM Kochi office. So I am staying nearly 2 to 3 kilometers away from my office with two of my friends. So in this video I will show my 3 BHK flat, and also at the end of this video I will tell you how I got this flat, what is the deposit, what is the rent, everything will be told at the end of this video. So make sure you watch the video till end, and in case you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. So now let's first take a look at the flat. Now let's talk about how we got this apartment, what is the brokerage amount, and what is the deposit money, and what is the rent for this apartment. We got this apartment through a broker. So broker took 50% of the rent. From the first month's rent, they took 50% for the broker amount. So deposit money is of 3 months. So for the 3 months, we have to pay rent in advance, and this will be refundable once we leave the apartment only after 1 year. So there is agreement for 1 year. So if we leave before 1 year, we won't be getting deposit money. And after 1 year, we get the deposit amount only when the house is in good condition. Now coming to the rent is total 36k. This includes maintenance as well. So apart from this 36k of rent, we have to pay electricity bill as well. So generally electricity bill will be 3k per month. So for 2 months, generally it will be 6k. That is the electricity bill. And apart from that, we also had a cook. So here cook service is available. So for the cook, we have to pay 6k per month. So these are the extra amount we have to pay for cook and electricity bill. So this was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.